Just wave.
It hasn't really changed since then. Our room may be a little bit messier, we hug a little bit tighter, our sleep-ins a little bit longer, but it's always been the same, and it hasn't changed since then. I told my best friend once of this really cute girl I met at work, only to realize that I was about to fall in deep. Deeper than I've ever gazed in someone else's eye, deeper than which I ought to understand, deeper than any feeling which this world has brought upon. And it hasn't changed since then. Two years isn't hard to fathom, but to an existing love, some dwindles, some changes, and some ultimately ends. To me, it's but another milestone of where we chose to go. A reminder that the flame doesn't end as long as the heart desire. And it hasn't changed since then. Who knows what will happen next? Baby in the cradle, a ring in the finger, new set of keys and a signed deed, who knows? But what I know is that I still hope this all to be with you, and that hasn't changed since then.